Yeah, hello, good day. This is another video talking about PayPal. Yes, earlier before now, I've made a video about Payoneer and how useful it is. This is another way of making money, of receiving money, of making payment for those who are limited to making payment alone. And there are some countries that is allowed here, which is on PayPal to make payment and receive money also. uh, there are some This PayPal is a very good mode of payment for many countries now, because in many online websites it is PayPal that is mostly received now. If they don't receive PayPal, they will receive what is it called, your credit card or your debit card for payment. And even those debit or credit card is linked with PayPal, so that it can be an easy way of payment. In opening PayPal is a very easy thing. Just when you just open PayPal, all you got to do is immediately you open PayPal. All you got to do is look for, then immediately you type PayPal. There's a link that will come there, and it will identify the country you are opening PayPal from. Then you don't need, if your country is not accepted, you don't need to open it, or else they will ban you. If you try opening PayPal without your country being approved by PayPal, I'm telling you sincerely, it will, the day you thought you are going to collect your money from PayPal, you just see they just block the account. All the money you've worked for all this while will be over, and there's nothing you can do about it. And no amount of mails that you will write to PayPal, they will listen to you. So immediately you get to them, just type paypal.com, which is paypal.com. Then when you see the flag of your country, then you continue to register. And when you've registered, they will ask for some details, which is your bank details. And they might not ask for the bank details, but your card, your debit card you are using, which your country have issued to you, all you got to do is enter it and enter all the information required, and they will confirm it. They send you an email, then you confirm your email, then the account is set up. So it's a very easy way to set it up. So just click on it, and you are good to go. The only thing is that if your country is not approved for receiving payment, it's better you don't receive payment with it, or else they will ban your account. And then it's a stressful thing to use that same account unless you use another IP address and what is it called, and a new email to open a new PayPal account. So it's advisable you don't use a VPN to open a PayPal account, because this company, they are a big company that they have software to detect the kind of activities you are doing. Maybe you are using a VPN, so by the time they are ready to block when you want to withdraw money, or you are using the VPN of country that can receive money, and the time you want to receive the money, they will just block the activities and you won't be able to receive money. Take for imagine you want to receive like $200 or $300 that you have worked for all this while, and when you want to receive it, they say the account is blocked. So it's a very disappointing thing to do. So I advise you not to do that. So if your country is not in the uh, group of those who receive who are to receive a payment, so you don't go there. So just stick to what people have. So if you want to send money from PayPal, this is, you just click on send payment, or automatically when you are paying through a company, when the company, they will redirect you to where you're supposed to pay with PayPal. When PayPal now recognize you, You don't need anything than to enter your immediately when they redirect you. If you are using the same IP address and everything, all you on your same computer, all you have to do is just to put in your password. Your email address is already there. Just put in your password, and maybe then you put the amount, then you continue the next, then you confirm, then the payment is there. So that is that. But if you are receiving money, I told you, you must be in a country that are eligible to receive money, or if not, I'd advise you not to do that. So uh, that is all about PayPal. I hope this video has helped you a lot, and if there's any other thing you want to ask about PayPal, you can leave it. You can give a comment on this link of mine. Just so leave a comment on this link, subscribe, and leave a notification and click on the notification button so that on any subsequent video I'll be releasing, maybe on any mode of payment I've discovered, or there's any business you can use so that you can make payment with PayPal, then, or there's a book or something you can buy that is very beneficiary to you, I will allow you to. I will make a video of that and put it on this same YouTube link. So just subscribe and click on the notification button. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Bye.